Inaasahang lalakas pang lalo ang international safety standard ng aviation industry sa bansa. Reaksyon nito ng palasyo sa report ng International Civil Aviation Organization na nagsaad na nakatugon na ang Pilipinas sa safety standards nito. Ang ICAO report ay tinanggap ng Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines o CAAP. Dahil dito, sinabi ni Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte na patuloy na makikipag-ugnayan ang CAAP sa European Union at Federal Aviation Administration upang mapangalagaan ang aviation status ng bansa.
Last month, the International Civil Aviation Organization or the ICAO, sent a coordinated validation mission to inspect the efforts of the Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines to comply with international aviation safety standards and address significant safety concerns or SSC identified by the ICAO. Before they left, the ICAO team expressed great satisfaction with what they found and said they would make a recommendation to the ICAO headquarters in Montreal, Canada, that the significant safety concerns previously issued to the Philippines be lifted. In a letter to the CAAP dated March 1, 2013, the ICAO stated that the SSC Validation Committee, and I quote, has determined that the corrective actions taken by the Philippines have successfully addressed and resolved, end of quote, the SSCs.